Hello people, this is my bike check. It's a blank verse 2012. We'll start off with grip ends, which are Wilkinson, Crappie brand, grips, Colt Vans on both, bars, Verde, yeah, good brand. Stem is a Diamondback, headset the blank, rims and wheels or Mafia, tyres WD, forks blank. Moving down, we got clear VP pedals, decent I'd say. Cranks are the blank, sprockets are blank, seat Sub Rosa pivotal. Then moving down to the back wheel, we got the blank rim, Alan Ross keyboard tyre. Yep. It's been police registered. I'm just trying to think if I've missed out anything. Oh yeah. Chain. Hasn't got one. It was a salt chain, but snapped it the other day, so got to buy a new one. But yeah, I think that's my bike check done. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check my uploads soon. I shall be uploading another bike check about just after October. So yeah, there's my bike for now.